Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to guide you how to fix Shadowverse Worlds Beyond deck load error. The first thing that you should do is to check Cygames. Cygames regularly posts news and updates about known bugs on the official Shadowverse Worlds Beyond website and in-game announcements. A deck load error may be a widespread issue that the developers are already working on. Second, using your mobile phone, go to your settings and use the clear data or clear cache method to fix corrupted files in your game. Once you've done that, you can relaunch the game once again. Third, you can completely close the app, make sure it is not running in the background, and then restart your phone altogether to fix the files that have been damaged in your phone temporarily. Fourth, you should check your system to see if your mobile is suitable for the game itself, or if it needs update to be able to run the game smoothly. Lastly, make sure to check your internet connection to see if it's the problem that have been hindering you in playing the game.